I just recorded the end of the 1,000 subscriber video. So again, thank you guys all. I really appreciate it. I put a new bolt in here. If you saw last video, this fell out and I was left stranded. Thankfully Anna came and brought me a new bolt to temporarily get me home. I went to Lowe's and I got a new one. So I'm hoping this holds. When I was pulling into here to record it, yep, it's stuck right now too. That's good. When I shift down, hold on, let me, yeah, you see that? I don't know how that happens. It is now stuck on the kickstand. That's good. Yeah, so when I shift down, it gets caught on the kickstand and I have to get it off of there before I can shift down again. Great. I mean, as long as the bolt stays in, I should be fine. But I guess we're gonna find out. I do have a temporary bolt in my pocket just in case it comes out. I'm hoping I don't need it because I'm only gonna be able to hand tighten it if I do, but I guess we'll find out. Maybe wanna get in the lane. This is probably going to be one of those days where I record multiple videos just because I have off work, so I have the time, and it's super nice out, but it's also supposed to be really cold over the weekends. Like, I'm getting worried that riding season is going to come to an end soon, so I should probably start stockpiling. That way I have at least some for the winter. So I might end up doing that today. Multiple just so I have them ready. Hopefully I can get some interesting stuff to happen. Okay, so it's apparently every single time I shift down, it gets caught on the kickstand. I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do about that. I'm gonna have to go home and try to figure it out. That's pretty annoying because I gotta shift down and then push up, shift down, push up, shift down, push up, so it's gonna take longer. It's more steps. I think motorcycles are like a love-hate relationship for people that ride them constantly because you absolutely love riding, like it's the best thing, and it's just amazing. Like, I could go on for a long time about how good it is, but there's a hate part to it because it's so much work sometimes. Like the constant maintenance, the problems that come up, the expenses, like all that stuff. So it kind of creates like a, you love it, but there's things you hate about it too. Going around this person because she's on her phone and extremely slow. I'm not sure if you can really tell, but like the leaves are starting to change colors already. Which is definitely the first sign of too cool to go riding. Sorry, too cool to go riding comfortably. That could have been fun. It's a very pimped out STI. That would have been a lot of fun. It's got like cool decals on it and everything. Of course, he's going the other way. Bolt is saying it so far. I want to high five him. There's a nice Camaro, modified, going the other way. So apparently it's going to be one of those days where everybody I'd want to interact with is going the other way. And then you got this Jeep who won't get out of the left lane and is holding, look at that, nice line of traffic behind them because they won't just move over. Why are people so bad at driving? Ooh. It's a very nice Camaro. That would have been fun too. We're just striking out today. Looks like it's still in the same way it was when I left, so it should be good. So good. good news is I don't happen to have the right size Allen wrench readily available at my place, so I couldn't just bring that with me just in case. Give him a couple minutes, he'll get up to highway speed. Just has to get there. I think that's beyond stupid, riding without a helmet. Like, no helmet at all. That's just stupid. Even a bucket helmet, like the one that just covers the top of your head, that's dumb, because like, you're gonna break your jaw, you're gonna scrape a lot of skin off. Like, you're gonna be jacked up if you live. Wearing no helmet at all, you're just asking to die. But yeah, I don't wear a jacket or like official riding pants, but I wear a full face helmet, which is literally the reason I'm alive. If I didn't wear one, I would have been dead. So like, riding with no helmet, I think that's the dumbest thing you can do as a biker. I think it's absolutely stupid. And it's almost always like the Harley and cruiser guys. I'm not saying it's never sport bikes, but because I have seen some, but it's very rare compared to Harley riders. I don't know why you would ever do that. Apparently I have a little spider as a passenger. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick it up, but I'll try. Dog doing? Hi, buddy. I could have won. I definitely could have won. Well, now I'll just sit awkwardly next to people at a red light. To me, this always feels like, oh, that's a state trooper. Getting stuck next to people at a red light, especially when their window is down, feels like if you're using a public urinal and someone goes to the one right next to you, because it's really awkward because now you're stuck right next to each other, but you don't really want to look over at them. You definitely don't want to look over at them in a urinal, but like at a red light you don't really want to, just because then you're going to have that awkward eye contact. So you're kind of stuck staring straight ahead, you know? Like I said, it's really awkward if their window's down. I hate it. Today, just because my tires are like borderline bald. So I'll be a little bit careful. As soon as I turn around, now we have... I'm so salty right now. Every time, they're always going the other way. I'd almost guarantee you though, if I wasn't recording, like I didn't bring my GoPro and I went on that same ride, I would have been going the same way as all of them. Would have had multiple races and stuff like that. And would have had a lot of fun things happen. But since I'm recording, no. I like it. Looks pretty cool. Great. This is the horrible pavement I've talked about before. And there's loose gravel everywhere. That's good. You guys see how like uneven and shitty, I guess? I'm trying to think of a different word, but how bad this like pavement is. Asphalt, whatever you want to call it. This stuff sucks to ride on. Hello. R6 with a shorty exhaust. if this light ever changes, maybe I can ride with him, but it's not happening. We're getting split up by the light again. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. Probably approaching too long for this video, I guess, the time. I don't know how to word it. I'm bad at that, but what I'm trying to say is I think this video is gonna be long enough now, or too long. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna pull over and probably start making another one. So I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. See you in the next one.